everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just hope so you're doing very good. And you know guys, due to dull weather now, my skin is acting very dull, greasy and oily, as you can see in the screen. But I'm not worried at all because Niacinamide is here to save my day. So guys, this is Plum's Niacinamide is my ultimate to go for bright and blissful skin. And you know what guys, Plum is India's first 100% vegan beauty brand, which has dropped their newest star in the range, which is the 2% Niacinamide and Rice Water Gel Cream. So you can see on the screen, I am sharing everything step by step in detail. So guys, it has 2% niacinamide and rice water, and they are the key to brighten your skin and filling blemishes for that smooth clear look. And if I will talk about pack, it is packed with MatmarineTMto, which helps control excess sebum and is also infused with the hydrating Cactus Water. Next, I am talking about its texture. So you can see as on the screen, guys, trust me, texture is to die for. This is super light oil free gel cream which glides effortlessly, leaving you with non-greasy hydration all day long. So as you know, they are Niacinamide Rice Water, MatmarineTMto and Cactus Water. So Niacinamide helps fade blemishes. Rice Water helps brighten and smoothen skin texture. MatmarineTMto controls excess sebum for a smooth matte finish. And Cactus Water supports the skin's natural ability to store moisture and hydrates skin for a stronger skin barrier. So guys, I am ready for this gloomy weather. Are you? And if you are also ready like me, then go shop Niacinamide range from Plum. And guys, don't forget to use my coupon code for extra discount, which is mentioned on the screen, and you can check my description box for further details. Bye bye.